Tell me about the roof here at this complex. What is it that you're going to use to keep your employees safe while they're working at heights?
So we, before we even started this project, we've been out here for a couple months just figuring out what we were going to do safety-wise, because it is a gypsum deck and lightweight gyp, and it's been exposed to the weather for a long time. So being gypsum, it's not safe to walk on, so we had to keep our employees safe. We were looking at horizontal lifelines, and that's when I called you, and you introduced me to the new Lifeline that you have, and I couldn't be more excited about it. We got it out on site. Since I purchased the first one, I now own 8 of them, and I'm probably Michelle's biggest fan.
Absolutely.
Malta's biggest cheerleader out there in the safety industry. Just the simple fact that it's easy to use. It holds more people than it holds 4 people, crew members on the pipeline. 90% of them that are on the market only hold 2. So I can't say enough about it. It's a great product. It's easy to use. The crew members up on this roof love it. They like the simplicity of it.
Nice.
And they feel safe. And for a project that was going to take us a lot longer, because of the safety factors, once we put that safety equipment up there, taught them how to use it, taught them how to install it properly, this project's going off without a hitch. And we're actually going to save probably about 4 weeks of man hours just for the fact that the guys are.
So the productivity, everybody feels safer when using the line.
All around.
And so for you and the superintendents, having 4 people on a line increases productivity.
Most definitely.
Okay.
Most definitely.
And so you've also shown them the culture.
I sleep at night.
Right.
I go to bed and I sleep at night. I know my guys are safe every day.
And that's what it's all about, making sure that they're going home every evening to their family.
Correct.
Love it.
Yep.
Love it.
I do. Thank you so much.
Perfect.
I thank you.